बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
सवाल माइक नंबर 1 से, अगर वहां पर कोई गैर मुस्लिम भाई मौजूद हैं। माइक नंबर 1 से।
I am Vijay Bhutra and I am in the profession of making resins, which is very similar to yours. We make chemicals which bonds certain plywood. So मैं भी जोड़ने का ही काम करता हूँ जो आप by way of your spiritual. I had been to airport, we received you. I had been here yesterday. I was today again in your conference. And I am here right from beginning. During the entire session, what conclusion I have arrived from your lectures about 3 things. You have told Murti Puja is not acceptable. That is what I gathered from your. It is not acceptable even in the Vedas. You have quoted certain rituals, certain this one. आए तो मैंने वहाँ की कुछ श्लोकें आपने पढ़ी. Let me tell you, I am not aware of the Vedas and Upanishads. I am aware of little bit of Bhagavad Gita, which we take it priority even if much more weightage than the Vedas and Upanishads. Then you have told yesterday that other than Quran, please excuse me, I am not underestimating Holy Quran. Not at all, my intention is not at all there. But you have told Keval Quran He, you have added the word yesterday, He is the law of today which can rectify the people today. You have undermined the entire others, not even Bible, even Gita, everything. Nothing is relevant today, only Quran is relevant. I am coming to sir. Please excuse me, you will have to give me some time. Because I personally would like to meet you also. And then third, you have touched all 3 days Kalki Puran, which you have told ki Paigambar is the last avatar. There will not be any avatar. For that also you have given illustration from Vedas. Now let me tell you, sir. नहीं ऐसा है सर, मैं अब मैं कर देता हूँ सर.
10 बज चुके हैं, फिर भी मैंने मौका दिया. अगर आप ज़्यादा करेंगे, हमको यहाँ लॉ का इख्तियार रखना चाहिए नहीं. टाइम खत्म. इतना लंबा वक्त आपको माइक्रोफोन आने के लिए, आप नहीं आया. 10 बजने के बाद आप खड़े होते और इतना लंबा सवाल पूछते. मैं जवाब देने को तैयार हूँ. अगर पुलिस इजाजत देती मैं देता हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं. Let my question be incomplete and let the answer be not there.
But why are you coming so late?
I am sorry for this. See, my turn did not come.
Complete your question. Complete your third question.
No, if you permit, if you everything but is saying, no problem.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. अब हम डॉक्टर साहब की खिदमत में ये शेर पढ़कर इस मजलिस के सवाल जवाब का सिलसिला ख़त्म करते हैं कि निगह बुलंद सुखन दिल नवाज जहाँ पुरसोज, यही है रख्त सफ़र मीरे कारवां के लिए. लेकिन इस मजलिस
कल इंशाअल्लाह भाई साहब पहला सवाल जवाब दूंगा आपको. कल फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू आस्क.
Yes.
First question inshallah.
Thank you.
I want to reply to you in public.
Thank you.
In public, not privately.
I am also going to put the questions in public, sir.
Inshallah.
I also put my question, entire question,
Oh, sure.
tomorrow in public, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.